That was a bad accident. Did you guys see that? Let's look around and see if they're okay.
Minnesota news now witnessed the horrific accident and quickly sprung into action. He got off the highway and drove back around to check on the crash victims. Jason could have drove by like everyone else on the road did that day, but that was not an option to Jason. Jason knew it was his duty to help a fellow citizen while in need.
Under Minnesota Good Samaritan law, you have to help to the best of your ability.
A fine example of our true first responders, First Amendment auditors. Jason checked on the well-being of the driver and the passenger and waited on scene for medical attention to arrive. Jason isn't just a good Samaritan, he's a great Samaritan, a true American hero. Jason witnessed a horrific crash on the highway and put his life on the line to secure the safety of the motorists involved in the crash. Please go and watch the full video on the Minnesota News Now YouTube channel, and tell him Vince McHugh sent you.